Okay, today we have an IS 2015. He wants to make sure he keeps his rims and tires and the airbags and they don't break into the vehicle. He didn't want to add another alarm system, so we end up incorporating to what he already has, a factory alarm system. He don't want to lose the keyless to go. You know, the beauty of this car is to walk up and grab the doors and open it and push the button and start. Definitely don't want to carry another fob or, you know, lose that ability of the keyless to go, which is a nice thing to have. So what we suggested is to add a shock sensor to the factory alarm, and we also did another bypass so they won't be able to shut off the alarm by forcing the keyhole in your door. And he took it a notch further. He wanted some kind of text alert, push notification to his phone anywhere in the United States when the alarm fires off, and it also comes with GPS. That's an add-on you can do besides the shock sensor add-on. You don't necessarily have to have it, but it will be a nice idea to get an alert on your phone if the alarm fires off, especially if you live in apartments or if you park your car somewhere that you're not going to be able to hear the horn honking, which is pretty loud, pretty impressive. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the tire real quick. There's the alert real quick that the alarm went off, and that's basically letting them know that the alarm fired off. The shock, you can pretty much adjust it yourself. You can make it real sensitive or less sensitive. I normally show the customers on when I do the install how to turn it down. It takes a flathead screwdriver and it takes 2 seconds to do it. You know, it saves us a trip of having to come out and turn it down if it's too sensitive, because a lot of people want it real sensitive. You know, we don't mind doing that as long as the customer agrees that he can turn down the sensitivity himself. This shock sensor add-on also takes care of all the windows, any banging in the car. It will fire off the alarm. Basically, when you also arm the alarm, it has a little lock on this Lexus underneath the radio. It has a little lock that is going to be solid, and then it's going to start flashing for you, and that means that the car is ready. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window. And now I'm going to shut off the alarm. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Hollywood, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. We're based out of Miami. Thank you for watching this video. Our numbers are 305-298-4814.